900 feet. Keep right.
I'll just shut him up for now. If you see a specific place you want me to go, you'll need to tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to the right.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a Starbucks right there. I bet I've been to that Starbucks.
Yeah, I would just say
Is there something you're wanting?
no.
Okay.
I don't see anything in. It's a quick trip, so.
Okay, so you want a quick trip?
No, there isn't one. So.
Okay.
So
Well,
just whatever's easier for you to do.
I could have done northern. Okay. Not a problem.
But I mean, it could be easier to do something on the right hand side. I mean, whatever you want. I mean, I just make it
Okay.
unstressful. So,
Does this look like it has a bathroom?
I think so. God will go elsewhere. There are a zillion places.
Lots of gas. Are you going in?
Yeah. Rural pink.
Turn left. Turn left onto State Route 16.
Oh dear God.
Well, I'm just putting this back.
Okay, pull it out. Get it.
I'm just trying to be gentle, not abusive.
Oh, I don't want to spill my coffee. It's awfully hot. Okay, let's put that back on. Take that off. Because I know that'll drive you crazy.
Oh, it's awesome.
Oh, come on, looking forward to you can make it.
In a quarter of a mile, keep right to merge onto I-55 north towards Springfield. Go past these lights, then use the right lane to keep right to merge onto I-55 north towards Springfield.